Hello and welcome to SeaCoast's online trigonometry class. I'm Eric Fearing. I use he, him pronouns. Kids usually call me Mr. Today we're going to work on Competency 1, Benchmark 1. The first competency is to define trigonometric ratios and apply them to right triangles. Today the first benchmark is just to identify opposite pairs of sides and angles in any triangle. So when we're thinking about a triangle, it's made up of three sides. For now, I'm going to draw three random sides in different colors. So we have an orange one, a purple one, and a blue one. And we can label these with some points, A, B, and C, to represent our corners. And now we've got three angles as well. Angle A would be between the orange and purple sides, angle B would be between the orange and blue sides, and angle C would be between the blue and the purple sides. When we label the sides of a triangle with usually a lowercase letter for the length, we're going to use the same letters we did for the sides, but we need to decide how to arrange them. And we do that by looking at the things that are across. So if we look at point A, the angle A on the left side here is made up of the orange and the purple legs. If we look across the triangle from that, we're going to see the blue side. And that's the side we're going to label little a. You can imagine if we changed what the angle was and spread out the purple and orange sides, side A would get bigger when angle A got bigger. So there's some logic to that, even though we've now labeled the only side that doesn't touch point A with the letter A. Similarly, we're going to label the side that does not touch C with C. So the orange side is across from C. We're going to label the orange side little c. And that leaves angle B across from the purple side, side B. There's two ways to ask questions about this that you're going to see in the assignment. The first one is to recognize what side is across from big B. How long is side little b is the final question. If we're given this diagram, then we want to maybe think about color coding it on paper if you can, just in your mind if you want. We can color each side differently. So for B, it's on the blue and purple legs. It's across from the orange one. So as angle B gets bigger, it would stretch the orange side. B corresponds to orange, so we're going to say little b is 5. That's our answer to that question. We could be done right now. We could also say that point C is across from the side that's 1.5, so little c would be 1.5, and that leaves A across from the purple leg, touching the orange and the blue ones. So A is the side that's 3.8. When you do your upload to Google Classroom, you only have to put in one of those numbers. So if you solved side B first, your answer would just be that 5. The other kind of question is to say which angle is across from a specific side. This is how those questions are set up on the homework. What is the angle opposite x? So what I would call the base, the bottom of this triangle is marked with an x. We can think again, okay, so this is the side we care about. Where's the point across from that? The one that's not on either end of it, but is opening up toward it. Here we go. This is the angle we want. I don't know how big that angle is. this takes a little bit more math because it wasn't one of the ones that's already labeled. We have a 90-degree angle here. We have a 24-degree angle here. And remember, there are 180 degrees total in the interior angles of a triangle. So we can subtract some of these things out. 24 plus the missing angle that I guess I'm calling C equals 90. 90 take away 24 would be 66 degrees. 66 plus 24 makes 90 and another 90 for the 180. So what is the angle opposite side X? It will be 66 degrees. So that's how you identify opposite pairs of sides and angles in any triangle. If you have any questions, you can talk to me during office hours or send me an email. Please get to work on the assignment for Competency 1, Benchmark 1.